So you're looking for a way to beat the heat this summer, right? And I've got just the thing for you. I've been testing out this amazing portable air conditioner, and I'm super excited to share my thoughts with you. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to stay cool and comfortable at home. This is a portable air conditioner, a fantastic home appliance that's perfect for homeowners and renters alike. It's designed to keep your space cool and cozy, and it's really easy to use. Now let's dive into the specs, because that's what really matters, right? This unit has a 14,000 BTU rating, which is pretty powerful, and it can cover a large room of up to 700 square feet. It's got 3 different modes, so you can choose from cool, fan, or dry, depending on your needs. The fan speed is also adjustable, with 3 different settings, so you can customize it to your liking. The temperature range is between 61 and 88 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a nice wide range. And the remote control has a range of 23 feet, so you can adjust the settings from across the room. The unit is also relatively quiet, with a noise level of around 40 decibels, which is great for bedrooms or home offices. But what really sets this portable air conditioner apart is its energy efficiency. It's got an energy efficiency ratio of 10.5, which means it can cool your space without breaking the bank. And with its compact design, it's easy to move from room to room, making it perfect for apartments, condos, or even RVs. I've been using it in my living room, and it's been a total lifesaver on hot days. It's so nice to come home to a cool and comfortable space after being out in the heat all day. And the best part is, it's really easy to set up and use. Just plug it in, turn it on, and adjust the settings to your liking. In real-world use, this portable air conditioner has been a total rock star. I've used it to cool down my living room, my bedroom, and even my home office. It's been a lifesaver during heat waves, and it's even helped to reduce my energy bills. And the best part is, it's really easy to maintain. The air filter is washable, and the unit itself is easy to clean. I've also been impressed with how well it works in humid environments. The dry mode is really effective at removing excess moisture from the air, which is perfect for basements or attics. So what's the verdict, you ask? I'd give this portable air conditioner a solid 8 out of 10. It's powerful, easy to use, and really effective at cooling down a large room. The only thing that keeps it from being a 10 out of 10 is the fact that it can be a bit bulky, but that's a small price to pay for the level of cooling it provides. If you're in the market for a portable air conditioner, I'd definitely recommend giving this one a try. And if you found this review helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.